Kai, happy 18th birthday. So alam mo kung gaano kita ka-love. Ngayon na lang ulit ako tumanggap ng pool events dahil sa'yo. So para sa'yo lahat yon. I love you! I want you to feel me. I want you to grab it. I want you to steal me. If you want it, you can have it. I want you to free me. I'm not trying to lock you down. You gave me my own.
Happy 18th birthday, MJ!
After hours we can't gotta check the time. Even when it ends, it's still you and I. We ain't even know they turn on the lights. We missed the last call, riding on a high. It's more than a moment, this can't be a memory.
Happy 18th birthday, MJ!
Happy birthday, Jay. Sana pagpatuloy mo lang yung buhay mo and good luck sa journey mo.
Happy birthday, Jay. Sana maging malaya pa, tas healthy. Good luck sa journey mo.
Nagumanta ka pa. Hindi yung ano. Yung loto, hindi ako ready.
If you wanna stay, you can stay for a little while. Why don't you stay here after hours?
Happy birthday, MJ! Kay Kai, I love you.
Stay here after hours. After hours we can. Tell your friends to go, you can stay for a little while. You ain't gotta go, you can stay for a little while. Don't want nobody else around me. Just need you right here.
Happy birthday, Kai. Enjoy mo yung birthday mo and welcome to Legality World. Patuloy mo lang yung pagiging sweet sa pagiging smart and wise. And welcome din sa college days na yun, pagdadaanan mo. And good luck. And happy birthday ulit.
Need your hands all up on my body, like the moon needs the stars. Nothing else felt this way inside me. But let's go too far. I want you to come claim it. I do. What are you waiting for? Yeah.
Ayun, kay happy birthday. Mahal na mahal ka ni Tita Lai. We love you. Ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, Ate Kai. Wish ko lang sa'yo is matupad mo yung pangarap mo sa buhay. At lagi mong tandaan na parang din kitang kapatid. Kasi simula pagkabata ko, ikaw na yung kalaro ko. At pag may nang-aaway sa akin, sa'yo ako nagsusumbong. Kaya love na love kita. Lagi mong tandaan, nandito lang ako. Kit mong pin. Love you.
Hindi ako sanay na MJ yung tawag ko sa'yo. So, Kai, lagi ka lang mag-iingat, mahalin yung mga taong nagmamahal din sa'yo, at lagi kang magdadasal kung saan man ikaw pumunta. Actually, may mga gusto kong sabihin sa'yo, pero alam mo naman yun, lagi ko naman sinasabi sa'yo, mahal na mahal kita.